And first of all, just a small warm up for you guys. You guys have a good time so far. Do you like the show? Thank you very much. Before I start the show, some people might just start the show. Let me quickly introduce myself again. My name is Maaaring. I come all the way from Hong Kong. I'm a second performer here. I just want to remind everyone, in Hong Kong, there's no second food. So I learned everything just by myself on the internet. So on YouTube. So it is very difficult to master everything. But I'm happy that today I bring my love, my passion right here, right now. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the show? Okay, so it's 12 people out there. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Thank you so much. Right now, I am going to dance with this big wheel. Please, everyone, raise up your hand. Anyone of you have seen this performance before? Anyone of you have seen this before? What is this? Is it hulahoop? What I mean? No? So right now, anyway, I'm going to show you something you have never seen before. So just a short reminder. This wheel is made by metal. This wheel is really, really